how to save a Microsoft Excel workbook as a file on desktop. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see how we can select the Save As option to save this Microsoft Excel workbook directly on the desktop. So let's jump right in. First of all, on the file menu, you need to click on Save As and you need to select this browse option right here. So once we select that, we have a couple of options here. On the left hand side, you can see the desktop option. Just go in here and just rename the file to anything you want. Example file, let's say. You can save the type. If you want different type, you can customize it from here. And after that, just save here and it should save it on the desktop. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel for Excel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.